I just received this book, SEO in 2022. I don't normally read books, but maybe I should read this one. Let me check. Nick Wilson. Whoa. Stacy McNabb. Whoa. Chris Green. Man, this book is good. Greg Gifford. No way, Jason Barnard. Bibi Raven. Orit Mutznik. No way, Dwayne Forrester. Barry Schwartz. Wow. Homicidio. Homicidio. I know this guy. I'm sure I know this guy. I thought he was a comedian. Anyway, Aleida Solis. Man, I should read this book. Aleida Solis. This is a good book, eh? SEO in 2022 by David Bain. Nice one.